Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's begin with localizing the app which causes you a lot of problems. So in my case, let's pretend it is Google Chrome. So find it and tap on it and hold it and then go to app info. The first thing which I highly recommend to do is to tap on force stop. Tap on it and tap on OK, because if the app is running in the background, it might interfere. So force stop is the first step you should take. Then storage and cache, open it and localize this cache section. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of cache here, and cache are junk files which are saved by your device, and they might interfere with the proper usage of the app. They are not necessary for the proper usage, but they might cause some problems. So simply tap on clear cache, and after that, after force stop and removing cache, you can try to open the app. However, I highly recommend to simply reset your device after that. So press the power button and volume up button together once and then tap on reset, because this operation will kind of confirm all of the changes you've made. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes the older versions might have some troubles. So simply go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection and that you're logged in. And here, let me actually go back. This is what you will see. Simply tap on search right here and then enter the Chrome in my case, but of course in your case something which you'd like to check. So here we've got the Chrome, we've got the information that it is installed. Let's tap on it. Basically, if the update is available, you will see it right here. You will see update option right here or right there. And all you have to do is to simply tap on install and then sorry, not install, but update, and your device will download the update and install it on your device. It will overwrite it over the older one. And sometimes overwriting it is not the best idea. So if after the update, the app is not working, I highly recommend to come back to this section here and tap on uninstall. Let your device uninstall the app fully. You can restart your device also after the uninstall, and then try to install it again, because your device will directly download the newest version, and sometimes it is better than overwriting it. So I hope that will work, and if not, I also highly recommend to check your system updates, because sometimes older systems might have problems with newer app versions. So simply go to the settings. Here, scroll all the way down and go to System Update and let your device check whether you've got the update pending or not. And if you've got one, if you've got the information about it, I really highly recommend to download it, to install it, not only because you will be able to use the app, but also it will secure your device because of the security update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.